And welcome back to the 10x Gain Show. Let's get right into another one. Today is Sunday, March 22nd. We are in a new season. It is now spring. Let's dive right into today's video, guys, and dive right into it. Let's get it. So we've got huge XRP move about to happen. You can see it in the dominance chart. It is coming. We have this falling wedge here. 70% chance of a likely breakout to the upside when it comes to falling wedges. We also got some massive news, so it begins. XRP, HBAR, XLM, and many other utility coins are now considered digital commodities. Let's take a listen.
So today, I'm pleased to announce that the SEC's persistent failure to provide clarity on this question is over. As we speak, the Commission is implementing a token taxonomy and investment contract interpretation, and you should find that in your inbox or if you look on the website when you get home. Our interpretation, which is grounded in existing law and informed by extensive public input, establishes 4 asset categories that are not deemed to be securities. So digital commodities, digital collectibles, digital tools, and payment stable coins under the Genius Act. With these categories in place, the interpretation then clarifies that only one crypto asset class remains subject to securities laws, namely digital securities, which are traditional securities that are tokenized. This distinction returns the SEC to its core mission and statutory authority of protecting investors involved in securities transactions. We're not the securities.
All right, but there you got it, guys. XRP is actually on that list, and here's the actual list here. The SEC has formally classified 16 assets as digital commodities in its new crypto asset taxonomy. And as you guys can see, XRP right there is one of those listed, and along with many others, XLM and so forth. Very, very bullish news for XRP. We've got Brandon here. He is a prophet, and this is the same man who had prophesied that a bullet was going to hit President Trump's ear. Listen to what he has to say about XRP. Let's take a listen.
Overnight will double, they'll triple, and then I saw some of them go to $5 quickly, some of them go to $10, and he said some of the target of where they wanted to have this one was $150, and I saw the men talking. He said I saw the number 150. He said, you asked me and asked me and asked me about investments, and he said, I'm going to tell you something that will increase like Apple one day, that will be a major investment in the end times. And he said XRP will go from where it's at right now to $10,000 one day. It will be worth over $10,000 per XRP. And when he said that to me, I didn't even know what XRP was. And I was like, what is XRP? So I had to Google it. And I found out it was a cryptocurrency. Overnight.
Wow. Very amazing. Guys, buckle up, buckle in. If you know what you hold, keep stacking, keep accumulating, guys. We do know XRP's potential. And yes, $10,000 plus is in the cards for XRP. Very, very cool. We've got from Chart Nerd, for the record, just because the data tells me XRP is to correct further down before expansion, double digits doesn't mean I'm doom posting. So guys, we are going to see double digits for XRP, but before then, we are currently in a bear market, and we could see that 80 to 90 cent XRP like we've been talking about. Taking a look at his chart, you can see this support that goes all the way back to 2020. And if it extended out further, it'd actually be resistance right here. But this support is a long macro bear market support. And you can see we're not even close to it right now. So we could continue to go sideways and down until we hit that 80 cent range, that 80, 90 cents, before getting that parabolic breakout to $27. So let me know what you guys think down below. We are still in a bear market here. If we take a look at the charts, let's dive into it. XRP is at $1.38. We've completely retraced all of our gains from the past couple of days. We had gotten up to $1.58, $1.60, and have just wiped all of it out. Just fell right back down. This almost looks like a double top. And like we want to go back down, guys, we got to hold the $1.35 range on the daily. And if we close a daily candle below there, then we could be in trouble. And as you notice, we are very close to that $1.35 range. Taking a look at the support, I mean, the support now from where we are is coming in around $1.17, $1.15. So now we're kind of getting in line with a potential double bottom here if we do reach these lows again. And guys, when you look at it, I mean, that 90 cents down here, it's not very far from where we are. Here's that macro support around 80 cents. And if we take the measurement tool from where we are down to 90 cents, it's only a 35% move down. Down to 80 cents, it's only a 42% move down. So, I mean, you know, we've already seen the worst of this bear market. And, you know, another drop down 30 to 40% could take us to the absolute lows. Because as you can see, guys, from the peak, from the top to where we are now, we've already come down 60+%. So what's another 30%, right? If we come down 30 more percent, hit 90 cents, that very well could be the bottom. And I do believe we are going to head there eventually, guys, eventually. So let me know what you guys think in the comments down below. Have some cash on the side. Be ready to accumulate, as this is going to be one of the greatest opportunities of our lifetime. I appreciate each and every one of you guys tuning in, subscribing to the channel, liking the content, and I will see you in the next one. Until next time.
Let's see what you got, LeBron. Flying out of town for some peace of mind. It's like always, just want a piece of mind. I've been focused on the future, never on right now. But I'm sipping like a